Can you say hi? Oh, okay. Who's that, Mamas?
Papi, papi, papi.
He's still calling out for Betty. No, Louisa, honey, you're not going to play with you. You want to go? I know. No. Can you say ruff, 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 ruff? Who's that? Beep, 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 beep. Ruff. Who's that? Is this dog say? What do you say to the dog? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Oh, nice girl. Hey, Louisa. Don't you want to show everybody your super annoying? Where's Louisa? Where's Louisa? Oh, peekaboo. Where's Louisa? I can't see you. Peekaboo. Where's Louisa? Peekaboo. Fido the dog. Peekaboo. Where's Louisa? Oh, he's sleepy. He's sleepy. We're going to go out to lunch for Granddad's birthday. That's a good girl. Put those back. Okay, Louisa, you want to say bye-bye? No. Yes? You want to say bye-bye? No? Can you say bye-bye anyways? Alright. Okay, how about bye-bye? Not Betty. How about bye-bye? Bye-bye. Hey, Louisa. Hey, Louisa. You gonna go over there and play some music? Can we play some music? Go on then. I'll make a path. There you go. Scooch on over and play some music. Did you give it? You give Fido a kiss. It just doesn't always. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh, sleepy lamb. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Oh. Bye-bye. Okay, let's stop.